Welcome back, and many thanks indeed for keeping it Channel 1. Moving on, in an effort to create job opportunities amid the economic challenges experienced globally in the recent years, technology stakeholders have introduced initiatives to empower youth through online workshops. Power Learn Project Executive Director Mumbi Ndungu says the youth who participate in such workshops gain valuable knowledge and are now applying their skills to positively impact their communities, particularly in addressing challenges within the informal and electronic sector.
We are seeing most of them as innovators. They've been able to build solutions for their local communities, but solutions that can be consumed globally. And I think the next frontier is looking at how we support and scale this opportunity for many young people across the country.
As a National Youth Council, our mandate is in amplifying youth voices. And one of the things we hear most from young people is that unemployment is plaguing us. And as a young person myself, I know firsthand the struggle of securing a job and securing opportunity and even setting up enterprises.
Instead of looking for jobs, let us try to create those jobs in our country. If everyone is going to have that mindset shift, then I'm 100% sure that we are going to have the solution to the problem of unemployment.